Hi guys, welcome to my next tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this square with a bubble stitch charm. This time will be crown. For this tutorial again I will use the crochet hook 4mm and the 100% acrylic DK yarn. I've got my 7 rows of 29 single crochets done, so now we have to start row number 8. Chain 1. Into the first 5 stitches we will work 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then into the 6th one we will start working bubble stitch. So for making bubble stitch we have to make 3 times the first part of the double crochet. So this is actually the first part and then we've got the second, but we will not make the second part. Instead of it we have to put the crochet hook again into the same stitch and then make the first part of the double crochet, and again we have to grab yarn, put into the same stitch and then make third time the first part of the double crochet. Now we should have 4 loops on the hook, then we can finish the stitch, and then into the next stitch 1 single crochet, into the next stitch bubble stitch again, so 3 times the first part of the double crochet, 2 and 3, and then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and again into the next stitch 1 bubble stitch, so 1, 2 and 3, and then into the next stitch 1 single crochet. We have to repeat making 1 bubble stitch and then single crochet until we will have 10 bubble stitches. So this will be the 4th one. We've got 3 already, 2 and 3. Now we can finish the stitch, and into the next stitch 1 single crochet. One, 2 and 3, and then 1 single crochet, and in next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then we can finish the stitch, and in next one 1 single crochet, and again in next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then in next one 1 single crochet, into the next stitch bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then in next one single crochet, and again in next stitch bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then in next one 1 single crochet, in next one stitch bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. This is actually the last one, the 10th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now into the last 5 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1. Now we have to start row number 9. In row number 9 we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So at the end of our row we should have 29 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, when we were working in the same stitch as we've done the bubble stitch, the loops will be quite bigger, but make sure that you still got 2 loops, the front one and the back one on your hook. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Chain 1. Now we will work on row number 10. So into the first 4 stitches we have to make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then into the 5th one bubble stitch. So again 3 times the first part of the double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and again into the next stitch bubble stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and exactly the same as row number 10 we have to repeat working the bubble stitch, and then after the bubble stitch single crochet in next stitch until we will have 11 bubble stitches. So in row number 8 we had 10, and in row number 10 we have to have 8. So I done wrong. Bubble stitch, then single crochet, and again bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then single crochet, and again bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and again bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and then 1 single crochet, and again in next stitch bubble stitch and 3, and then in next one 1 single crochet, and again bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then 1 single crochet, in next one bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, in next stitch 1 single crochet, then again 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, in next stitch 1 single crochet, and 1 more bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and then into the last 4 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 1. So as I said, in the row number 10 we should have 11 stitches, bubble stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Row number 11 we have to start by making 1 single crochet in each stitch. So in this row again we should have 29 single crochets at the end. Row number 12, chain 1. In this row we have to start making 1 single crochet into the first 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3, and now bubble stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now single crochet into the next stitch and again bubble stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And again in next stitch 1 single crochet, then bubble stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet in next stitch. So we have to repeat it until we will have 12 bubble stitches. So 1, 2 and 3, 1 single crochet and again bubble stitch. So repeat making 1 bubble stitch and then single crochet until you will have the last 3 stitches. At the moment we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I've done the last bubble stitch, I've got 3 stitches left, so into the last 3 stitches 1 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1. So at the moment your work is supposed to look like that. So as I said, we should have 12 bubble stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Row number 13, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So again at the end of this row we should have 29 single crochets. Row 14, chain 1. Into the first 2 stitches we will work 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, then into the third one bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then again in next stitch 1 single crochet and again bubble stitch, 1, 1 more time, 1, 2 and 3, and then in next stitch 1 single crochet and again bubble stitch. So we have to repeat making 1 bubble stitch and then in next stitch 1 single crochet until we will have 13 bubble stitches and the last 2 stitches left. 1, 2 and 3, and then 1 single crochet. And as I said, I've done my last bubble stitch. I've got 2 stitches left, so into the last 2 stitches 1 single crochet, then chain 1. So we should have 13 bubble stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. In row number 15, 1 single crochet in each stitch again, so we should have 29 single crochets at the end of this row. Row number 16, chain 1. In this row, into the first 2 stitches we have to make 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, then into the next one 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3. Now into the next 3 stitches we have to make 1 single crochet, 1 2 and 3, then into the next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3. Into the next stitch we have to make 1 single crochet, and then again 1 bubble stitch, in next stitch 1 2 and 3. Into the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet, so 1, and into the second stitch 1. Now we have to make into the next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3, then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and again in next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3, then again 1 single crochet, and again in next stitch bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3, then 1 single crochet and 1 more bubble stitch in next stitch, 1 2 and 3. Into the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, then into the third 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3, then 1 single crochet, and again bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3. Into the next 3 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 2 3, then 1 bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3, and then into the last 2 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1. So at the moment your work is supposed to look like that. And now row number 17, again 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Row number 18, chain 1, into the first 7 stitches 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then into the 8th one, 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, then again 1 single crochet in next stitch and then bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 1 single crochet in next stitch and 1 bubble stitch into the next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then into the next 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and into the last 7 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1. So at the moment your work is supposed to look like that. Now row number 17, row number 19, 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Row number 20, chain 1, into the first 2 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, into the third one bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then into the next 10 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then into the next stitch bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet and again 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 10 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into the 11th bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and into the last 2 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1. At the moment your work is supposed to look like that. And now row 21, 1 single crochet in each stitch across. across. Row 22, chain 1, into the first 7 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then into the next stitch 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 6 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 6 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 1 bubble stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Into the last 7 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1, and now from row 23 to 25, so for the next 3 rows we have to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. So in next 3 rows we have to make 29 single crochets. Row 26, this will be the last row when we will work the bubble stitch. Into the first 14 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Into the 15 bubble stitch, 1, 2, 3, and again into the next 14 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Chain 1. So our motif is finished. Your work supposed to look like that. Now for the next 6 rows, so till row 32, we need to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So 6 rows of 29 single crochets. I've done the last 6 rows of 29 single crochets, so my square is already done. Your motif is supposed to look the same. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.